You guys don't have a YouTube channel?
No.
You guys
Behind
don't-
the back.
oh,
We need that.
have a YouTube
Home.
channel.
I can drill with my right hand maybe better.
We'll start a mission vlog.
You guys, yeah. real
Do it
shit.
again.
We should.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna hop on that.
I'm gonna try to get a cookie. You can imagine the ball.
Let's go, bro. One.
Always let you down.
Do you want to teach a Muslim
Shattered on the ground. Still I find you there next to me.
Do you want to contact a Muslim couple tonight, tomorrow? No. Well, you never know who might be interested.
I'm far from good as
What?
true. Still I find you next to me.
I know a lot of people that would have gone on their missions if this was a standard issue for missionaries.
That would totally change the outlook of Michigan. We would look so cool.
Only thing I say is just don't ride it angry, because that is basically how you get yourself killed.
Really?
I had a 1000cc crotch rocket, and I drove it. I drove it out after my fiance basically told me to come. That after I proposed to her, and she said yes, and we had dinner with the family. She told me the next morning that she was better off alone, so I went over there that morning and I rode the bike from here to there, pissed off and distraught.
1000 cc's.
1000cc. No helmet, no jacket, no gloves. I was in t-shirts, jeans, and sunglasses.
Do you get hypothermia? No.
No, not in the summertime.
Oh, okay.
As soon as it drops about 55, 50, it gets a little nippy. Because of wind chill. The faster you go, the more wind chill you get. Trust me, just hop in a car in the middle of winter and put your hand out the window. See how long you can hold it out there.
It's fair.
It's called October.
It's cold. Cold. Battle recap so far. Vlog moment.
Basically, Elder Black and I snuck up while the dwarf and the elf failed and everyone saw them, and then we snuck up, killed a couple dudes.
We were meant to be seen. We were drawn to fire.
That's what you think. We threw a couple guys off the walls. Elder Black cut a dude's rope while he was trying to climb back up. We strangled a dude by throwing him off a building. Burnt all these orcs alive by lighting their house on fire.
Right.
Lit this one on fire. And yeah. We really haven't killed that many people by conventional means.
Show them off buildings and burn them in the pit.
Burn them in the pit. Burn them in the pit.
I feel
Burn them
like
in the
I
pit. Burn them in the
really
pit.
wrecked some dudes there.
You live with a bunch of psychopaths, by the way, just hope you know that.
Yeah, I know. I'm only slightly horrified.
We can kill you.
Burn them in the pit.
Burn them in the pit. Burn them in the pit.
Burn them in the pit. Burn them in the
You
pit.
could plant an onion in my backyard, and that seems like a really orcish thing to do.
I'm trying to cultivate life.
Sounds like an orc.
That is gay. Orcs are gay. He's an orc.
Orc lover. Orc.
Big guy.
Who the F is you?
That's Bambi's mom.
Found your cousin. Found you. But where are all the boys at? Where's all the men? Oh, hello, ladies. Aw. What are you doing? All right.
Vime vyote vya Mungu
Thanks so much again. The reason I wanted to know who's host housing them is because if we had music, they would have played longer, and they just never tie around. So when they go to your house, they're probably going to be singing and dancing again. So don't be bothered by that. But this really is what it looks like when somebody steps into the life of a child. These children are not to be pitied or felt sorry for, because now they have a future. They have something to work towards, a goal. They're doing very well in school. And that's what sponsorship really is meant to do, is to empower our world's 600 million orphaned and at-risk children. So if you want to know more, you can go to the table. Everything of that table is handmade from the different countries. 100% goes to the projects for the kids. You can sponsor a child and literally change the life of a child today. You can talk to these kids about it. If you can't afford anything, that's okay. The kids give out free hugs, so hopefully you can afford that. Otherwise, please come to the table, talk to the kids. They love to talk to you. We cannot thank you enough for having us. Thank you so much. God bless.
Happy birthday.
We'll go wash this off.
Happy birthday, Glizzy. Elder. Elder.
What?
Happy birthday, Glizzy.
Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Elder Favreau, did you get a birthday glizzy? Elder Mitchell, how was the birthday glizzy?
It's okay. I haven't warmed it up yet.
Oh, just okay?
I need to cook it.
Gotcha. Is that breakfast?
I guess, since you gave it to me.
There you go. W breakfast. Happy birthday. This is good water for the vlog. Will do. Uh-oh. Hey.
That was a harrowing experience.
I know. Bonk.
You ever want to be a nature photographer? Weird. Deer don't really prank like this in Texas. I wonder if we have a different kind.
Yeah, you got fake deer in Texas?
So like hunter traps that came to life.
Yeah, decoys that walk. Elder Mitchell, how was the birthday?
There's been, I feel like the Lord has given me a birthday present because we found lots of tiny miracles on the way.
Yes, sir. What's your favorite miracle?
That we got out of that alive.
Fair enough.
Hey, we're over by Snowden, and we passed by these people to get out of their car, but there's a moose. It's big. It's huge. Let's zoom in. Look at it! Look at the moose! It's behind the trees right now, but there's one there. There's two. Where? It's behind the tree. There's one behind the tree right there, and then there's one right there. Oh, there is two! Oh, that's crap! Oh my gosh. Wow!
Elders. It's P-Day.
P-Day.
P-Day. P-Day.